Well, sorry for the glare. The glare is actually horrendous, but that's just how this is. Refrigerant gas check volume, 2012 Prius C. That is, we already know by looking at the sight glass and listening to a compressor that sounds like it's whining at 6,000 RPMs, that it's low on refrigerant, but we'll just go through this anyway. There's guys who wanted to see something like this proceeding. Wait, listen, you hear it's winding up the compressor. For a second, the compressor just started taking off really loud, but it shut down now. Oh, just shut off. Wonder if it shut off due to overamping. Came back on. Oh, remember in an earlier video, this was 172 to 174 degrees on the clamp. Well, now I got the temperature clamp on the high side discharge of my Prius, with the AC running exactly like this Prius, 126 degrees. This one's 174. Refrigerant gas has been completed. The gas volume is normal. You see that? This is the built-in Toyota software for testing the AC system. Take a look at the gas volume. You can see it right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Let me see if I can get the glare. Let me get a light over there. Do you see all the air in there? It's mostly air. There's very little refrigerant in there. As you can see, it's 8 psi on the low side, 87 psi on the high side. That's kind of normal for, it's only 52 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So between, say, 78 and 88 psi would be completely normal. But it says it's good. God damn it, I can't get the glare out of there. They really got to make these with no glare screens. Oh, actually, I remember I never took this off. There. Now it's off. Still glare. But the refrigerant gas volume has been completed. The gas volume is normal. Do not trust Toyota's software for telling you the gas volume of the refrigerant is normal. It is not normal.